In today's class, I am going to explain the questions from the inverse trigonometry, the basic problems, fundamentals problems from the inverse trigonometry. So this is exercise 4A from ISC class 12, and the same questions, same method, same concepts we have in the class 12 CBSE as well as intermediate first year mathematics 1A of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And it will help you for all other competitive exams as well as academic exams. So here, all these are the basic concepts. Write down the values of the following. So sine inverse root 3 by 2 and cos inverse 1 by 2 and tan inverse 1, cos inverse 0, cot inverse 1 by root 3, secant inverse minus 2 by root 3, cosecant inverse 2, cos inverse minus 1 by 2. I am going to explain all these question solutions step by step in this video. Welcome to Veda online classes. Veda online classes is providing the live online classes as well as recorded video courses for intermediate, CBSE, ISC, EAMCET and IIT-JEE. If you are preparing for these exams, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe our Veda online classes YouTube channel as well as install our app Veda online classes from Google Play Store. So exercise 4A, write down the values of the following. So here the first question is sine inverse of root 3 by 2. What is the value of sine inverse root 3 by 2? So if you take the value here, sine inverse of root 3 by 2. When we get root 3 by 2 in sine theta, so just check it and tell me root 3 by 2 in sine theta.
Pi by 3.
Sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. That means sine 60 degrees it is. Okay. So sine inverse gets cancelled. So we get the pi by 3. We get the pi by 3 as the answer. Pi by 3 is the required solution. And cos inverse of 1 by 2. Next one is cos inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, so if you take this question, in this question, write the cos inverse as it is and 1 by 2. When we get 1 by 2 in cos theta, sine 30, sine 30 is 1 by 2 and in cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3. Cos inverse gets cancelled. So here we get pi by 3. Pi by 3. 60 degrees or pi by 3. Okay. So if we could take the next one, tan inverse of 1. If we take tan inverse of 1, so write that outside tan inverse as it is, inside we have the 1. So when we get 1, when we write 1, so what is the
pi by 4?
Tan 45 degrees, tan pi by 4. Tan 45 degrees or tan pi by 4. Tan inverse gets cancelled. So we get pi by 4. We get pi by 4. Okay. So next cos inverse of 0. Cos inverse of 0. So that means cos inverse 0 is equals to cos inverse of 0. When we get 0 in cos theta, 0 in cos theta.
Pi by 2.
Cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0. So that means here the value is pi by 2. Here the value is pi by 2. Okay. So if you take the next question, cot inverse of 1 by root 3. Cot inverse of 1 by root 3. So write the cot inverse as it is outside. Write the cot inverse as it is. And after that 1 by root 3 we have. We have 1 by root 3. When we get 1 by root 3 in cot theta, so cot means cos by sine. Cos by sine. So cos by sine means cos 60. Cos 60 by sine 60. If we take cos 60 is 1 by 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, so we get 1 by root 3. So that means cot 60. 60 means pi by 3.
Pi by 3.
Pi by 3. Cot inverse gets cancelled. So we get pi by 3. We get pi by 3 as the answer. Next, secant inverse of minus 2 by root 3. Here, secant inverse of minus 2 by root 3. Okay. Secant inverse of minus x is equals to. Secant inverse of minus x is equal to. So we have the formula. What is the formula?
Pi minus secant inverse x.
Very good. Pi minus secant inverse x is the formula here. Okay. So now, so we are going to apply the same formula here. Secant inverse of minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3 is equals to pi minus secant inverse of, okay, x here. What is x value? 2 by root 3 is the x value. 2 by root 3 is the x value. So that means pi minus secant inverse of 2 by root 3. When we get 2 by root 3 in secant theta, or reverse, if we take reverse, reciprocal means root 3 by 2. When we get root 3 by 2 in cos theta root 3 by 2.
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6, 30 degrees. Okay. So that means secant 30 degrees. Secant 30 degrees. Okay. Secant inverse gets cancelled, pi by 6. Secant pi by 6 is the value is 2 by root 3. Cos pi by 6 value, cos 30 value, root 3 by 2. That value is equal to again sin 60, root 3 by 2. Okay. So now this is equal to this pi we write as it is. Secant inverse gets cancelled. So pi by 6. Take the LCM here. LCM is 6 into pi. That is 6 pi. 6 pi minus pi. So 6 pi minus pi is equal to 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. This is the required solution. Understood? Okay. If we take the next one, cosecant inverse 2. Cosecant inverse 2. So cosecant inverse 2, for this I am writing the cosecant inverse as it is, and 2. 2 is 2 in cosecant theta, or 1 by 2 in sin theta. Reciprocal. Cosecant and sine are reciprocal. 1 by 2 in sin theta. When we get 1 by 2 in sin theta,
Pi by 6.
Pi by 6. That means 30 degrees. Cosecant 30, pi by 6. Okay. So cosecant inverse gets cancelled. So here the required angle is pi by 6. Required angle is pi by 6. Here, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So we have the formula. What is the formula? Cos inverse of minus x is equal to, what is the formula?
Pi minus cos inverse x.
Pi minus cos inverse x is the formula here. Okay, if we apply the formula, then we get it as cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse of, so here x means 1 by 2 here. X means 1 by 2. So now pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. When we get 1 by 2 in cos theta? 1 by 2 in cos theta?
Pi by 3, sir.
Pi by 3.
3.
Okay, so cos pi by 3 means cos 60 degrees. Okay, so pi by 3 it is. Okay, cos inverse gets cancelled. So we get it as pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. So if you take LCM, that is 3 LCM, 3 into pi, that is 3 pi minus pi, 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi. 2 pi by 3. This is the required solution. This is only the required solution. Understood?